Hey you guys, so today's a Friday. This is our 7th day here in Japan. Oh, 7 araw na. And as you notice, naka-t-shirt na lang ako. Yes, hindi na masyadong malamig. I think it's now 24 degrees. So kaya, at saka mainit na, actually pinagpapawisan na ako. And for today we're going to Nara Park. So, it's an hour train away from Osaka, from where we are. So, let's go guys, let's go. Alam mo, kahit anong galing mong mag-navigate ng Google Maps, talagang you really have to ask kung tama ba yung pinupuntahan mo, kasi you'll have doubts You'll have doubts sa mga tamang train and it's tough, but you know, it's worth it because it's yung nakakadagdag ng challenge yun, figuring it out kung tama yung napuntahan mo, tamang lugar. Yung mga times pa nga nasa train na kami, bigla kang bababa kasi hindi ka sure. We found our train. Ito, tuloy-tuloy na to. There's going to be this is going to be a 36-minute ride. So yan yung train namin. At happy na naman ang aking anak.
Excited ka, ha?
Happy?
Excited, Adina.
Sumimasen. Kintetsu Nara.
No.
This one?
No.
No?
Nara.
Next to.
Next.
Okay, hi. Hi. Okay. Arigato na. Nara. Hanapin na muna natin yung Nara Park mismo. So, hindi namin alam kung saan. Lakad. May anong events in Nara? Looks like it's over there. Meron din silang shopping street doon. Teka, bago tayo pumunta doon, kumain muna tayo trip of shopping center and restaurant. So let's try to eat. Look for on the okay, what we have? I have tempura, katsudon, and so let's eat. So it's now 3 in the afternoon. As you can see yan, talagang mainit na. Wala nang lamig. We'll try to squeeze the schedule. Hindi na rin naman kami magtatagal dito. Gusto lang talaga din namin makita yung park. Tsaka onting temple daw kasi meron din dito. We have to be back in Tunamba bago magdilim. So I think we're nearing the park because andito na yung mga deer. Ayun o. Ayun yung mga deer o. Hey! Ayun yung mga deer o. Hey! Yeah. Let's go here. That is crazy.
What's that, Adina?
What's that, Adina? Ay! Ayan, ang dami nila. Yeah, they're just here. Oh, they're just here, oh. Halika dito tayo, picture tayo dito. From what I know, you can actually hold them. Yeah. Hi. Can I touch? Oh, can I touch? I think I can. Yeah, I can touch. Ooh, I can touch them. I can. Look, I can touch them. Oh, but I won't bother you anymore. Yeah, people can touch them, but you know, I'd rather not anymore. Adina! Wow! So, this is the park. Yeah. Ang dami, malawak to. Marami sila. Parang Burnham Park na. Para tayo sa Baguio. Baguio Fields. Yan. Dito lang tayo muna tambay. Tambay with the deers. Hi! Oh, bye-bye! You like them, Adina? You like them? Oh, yun o, nasa gilid mo na ka. Yun o, yun o. Woo! Yan, at nakakita pa kami dito ng sakura. Oh, baby, oh, sakura. Eh. Ba't ba yung bird na gusto mong pakita sa marami sa atin yan? Gosh, sa gilid naman ng park. Yan, maraming temple. So let's go. So for you to get in, you have dun sa mga temple na marami dito sa Nara Park, you have to pay 1,600 per ticket. So I got 2. Medyo mahal pero let's see. Parang marami naman pwedeng puntahan. Look at that. So that's the Central Golden Hall. Nice. So let's have a picture in the middle and then go inside. I think you can go inside. Yes, you can. Right, so actually yung lugar is called Kofukuji Temple. So yan. Yan, punta ko tayo dun sa may temple pa doon. Temple pa dito. Exit. We're about to go inside and bawal lang picture and video doon. So let's go in. Isa to sa mga temple na nandito. So what they're doing is they're putting coins over there and then they're making a sound using that thing. So I'll do it. So we found a spot na meron pang sakura, may deer. Actually hindi ko nga natutulog pa, nagpapahinga talaga. Wow, that is great. Wait, let's get there. Sakura pa. Ang ganda. We're on our way to a river na nakita namin dito. Siguro after that, we're gonna head back to Namba para hindi tayo gabihin. Ang kulang talaga, yung deer dito protected pero hindi sila nakakulong. And then, I think this is the perfect time because it's not cold, but it's not that hot. Wow, let's see this, guys. Wow, wait. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, that is great. Ganda. It's running water. Parang ano to? Parang libingan. Iniwasan nga namin yung hagdan pababa dito kayo dumaan. Paglabas namin, meron pa pala. So yun yung sinasabi namin river na maganda. Okay, hawak ko.
Swimming in the water. Hindi na malamig na.
Relax ka, di ah. Kuyakoy ka ng kuyakoy ah.
Oo,
sige. Oo, akala niyo swimming siya oh.
Swimming.
Swimming ikaw? Adina? Swimming ikaw?
Swimming in the water.
So we're heading back to the train station to catch a train going to Namba. It's been a good experience here in Nara. As in sobrang squeeze lang talagang hirap talaga pag may baby, but we still enjoyed. Before heading home, store selling souvenirs. So let's see ano ba mga souvenirs dito. Machako, yung mga deers. Ang maganda dyan. Okay, so bumili kami ng globe, magnet, and then yung Doraemon.
Ito yung binili mo.
Ikura.
これとこれですね。
はい。
3,850円です。
はい。
これも？
これ一緒。
あ、これも一緒。はい。くださいね。420円を6,270円です。
ディスカウントある？
ですか？
ディスカウント。
ここはね、ダメなんです。
It's okay. Gusto niya magpabuhat. Minsan nagsasawa din siya sa ano. Nagsasawa din siya sa kanyang stroller. Hirap ang tatay at nanay. Pabuhat ang baby, hindi naman magaan.
Daddy na no. Ginusto mo to daddy, di ba?
Ay nako.